And what we are discussing tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is whether we are at a breakout moment as far as India's manufacturing sector is concerned. So, straight up, Mr. Jindal, we had Uday Kotak here this morning saying that India needs to up its game as far as competitiveness is concerned. We can no longer be protectionist on trade. We need to be far more liberal. How do you respond?
So, before coming here, I heard this comment and I said, Uday is not in manufacturing.
So he can make that comment freely, is it?
So I wish he was in manufacturing, then he wouldn't say this. So I was saying that, we are not yet the factory of the world. Let us first become the factory of the world, and then we should open up our doors for competition. Let there be no tariffs, nothing. I mean, United States, even after, let's say, 100 years or 150 years of developed nation status, even today they have tariffs. Europe is putting tariffs, right? And we are saying that we should open up. Then we will kill our manufacturing here. We are not a great manufacturing country in any case. Today our manufacturing GDP is only 17% of our GDP, right? And we must get to 25-30%, what China is. But if you open up and we become liberal, then we will kill our industry.
So you talked about tariffs. Donald Trump says tariffs is the favorite word that he has in the dictionary, and he has promised that he is going to go full throttle as far as tariffs are concerned. What is that going to mean? We don't know the quantum, we don't know what finally will happen, but given the threat and what he's done in his previous term, what will it mean?
No, what Donald Trump is, in my opinion, he's very clear. He is a very clear-headed guy, whether right or wrong, but he has a clarity of thought. And he says that for me, America is first. I want to build America. I don't care about the world. For me, America is the world. And therefore, I want my industry to grow. I want America to grow, American industry to produce goods. It's not that Chinese should supply to me and then I will consume. I don't want to become only a consuming country. I want to produce and consume. So therefore, I want to put tariffs. Yes, tariffs do make you, let's say, lethargic. You become more uncompetitive to an extent. So therefore, you have to gradually bring down the tariffs to become competitive. But you have to allow the kid to grow up before you start running the race.